depending on like how it looks. And if or not, and if it's like something simpler, I'll just use Antoine's breakout because I feel like the breakout is like the simplest one to actually like get money. You know those ones? The other ones are a bit more like you have to know exactly where you want to go level wise, but like if I'm not really sure, I'll just use the breakout strategy in that moment.
Okay. So you pretty much just naked trade.
No,
No,
I do the
no.
analysis. I do the analysis based off of where I want it to go. But if I'm not really sure of like depending on how the breakout's gonna happen, then I'll kind of like switch the strategy just for my entry, if that makes sense.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I guess my question is, do you use any EMAs?
Just to track, no, I don't trade with them. I don't really like use
Okay.
them. Yeah, just more like
Okay.
conduits, I guess, you know?
Gotcha. Come on, go. Let's go. We need to break this side. Wow.
Peace, everybody. What's going on?
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Peace, coach.
Great piece.
Hey,
Discussing gold, checking out gold.
okay. Yes, I
Looks
see
like
it's
it's
going
pushing
crazy.
like
I see it's going crazy. It's yeah, I'm looking at it too. I'm upset because last night, I'm not upset, but I was on my scalping gold stuff again. And before I went to bed, it was like 4 o'clock in the morning. I
Mm.
caught two trades. And then I was going for the third one. And I had my TP way up here somewhere, probably where it's at right now. And it did a little pullback, and I just said, let me just close it out. I'm gonna just take this and go to sleep. But my initial reason for getting in the trade was just to put in one contract and just let it ride all night. And something just told me in my mind and said, man, come on, you made your money already. Get up out of there. You ain't even got to take a loss today, just in case it came down. I ain't even want to take a loss. I ain't want to risk it. But look, I should have just let that thing go. Sheesh. So gold going for a new all-time high? Is that what y'all was discussing?
Uh, well,
Or y'all think it's coming down?
I have no idea right now. I'm still in it from when I said I was going to swing it yesterday morning. So,
Oh, okay. You still in that one?
yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that was a
Yeah.
good hand.
Sometimes swinging, mentally it's hard to do because, you just want to take that profit, which is great. It's always good to
Mm-hmm.
take profit.
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm just trying to build up some courage to start swinging.
yeah, I guess we was discussing see how it reacts to yesterday's high.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's mark that up. Matter of fact, I'm glad you brought that up.
And overnight I just was looking on trading if it looked like all those signals hit.
Man, what time frame?
I was looking at the 15 and the 5.
Yeah, it was flowing.
But I guess it's only one, I think. Let's see if we'll put those in.
Wanted to some mini head and shoulders too before it dropped.
Oh yeah, hey coach, which one is it to get the 2 weeks for the futures, 2 weeks free, something like that?
It was Trade of 8.
Okay, trade of 8.
Just see if I got a maybe let me see. I just was seeing if I had like a discount link or anything like that. MGX Coinbase derivatives.
And where was the video from yesterday? I think you did it from TradingView, right? To trade futures.
Yeah, I think that was that Monday? Or was that was yesterday?
Yeah, that was Tuesday when
Okay.
Boss was
Okay.
on.
I'm gonna upload it to the Morning M.O.O.V.E replays. I didn't upload it yet. It was still processing yesterday.
Okay.
So yeah. I'm gonna make sure remind me to do it. Like at the end of this
Got
call.
it.
Okay. Okay, yeah, but it's trade of 8.
Last night, I think. I don't know if it's correct. You got GC1 with an exclamation mark on TradingView, but
On
I
trading.
haven't did anything that I could where I could trade it yet though.
Say it again.
No, I was saying I haven't did anything, did the subscription where I could trade it, but I do got it. I guess I got it put up. It's GC1 with the exclamation mark. Say gold futures 5 comments.
Yeah. Try GC. I think GC1 do work. I think that's or maybe it's GC. I don't know what GC2 is, but yeah, you're right. I think GC one of them is it automatically updates for you every time. I just been manually adding them to my chart. So it's GCM 2024.
Okay, I got the trade available. If you find a link, I'm just posting in the Slack.
Okay.
I'm link with you all later. I gotta run to get this physical therapy done.
Okay. All right, bro. Enjoy and have a good day.
Peace, you all. Happy trading. Thank you.
Thank you too.
Yeah. Peace.
Peace, brother.
Peace.
This is super. I was coming into this wedge pattern real nice. I mean, like a flag. This is nice. This is nice. Okay. Man. I feel like I missed this goal right now. Wait for it. testing out this new strategy. The scalping, it's the same strategy, just on a smaller time frame. And man, it's been going crazy. We went 6 for 6 on Monday. Yesterday, what was our win rate? Or how many trades did I even make? I don't even remember, but it was a smooth day too.
Can you share your new strategy?
It's the same strategy, honestly. It's just looking for a pullbacks in the uptrend. I'm just doing it on the 5 second and the 15 second.
Wow.
Man, it's nice. Is this it yesterday too? Wednesday? Oh no, this was last night.
So based on the fact that those time frames are so low, it gives you more opportunities for entries.
Yeah, for sure. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So it's the same thing that you would look for, like I know you're talking about levels and stuff, like you was talking about, or filling a gap or something like that. It's the same thing. It's just you catching it one bar at a time. So it's kind of like I'm trading a 5-minute bar. That's what it feel like. Sometime a 15-minute bar. So this one right here yesterday we did was from 10:30 to 10:55. But yeah, it was just really, yeah, it's like a 15-minute candle pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, so we only did one trade yesterday. Oh yep. Oh yeah, we just stacked up on that one position. It just got real good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh nope, let me see. There go another one. I think I might get back to the spreadsheet. I used to do my spreadsheet on the morning calls and just add everything in there at the end. Yeah, because there goes another one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah, we told this market up yesterday. Coach Craig. Shout out to Coach Craig. He helped me not take the last trade at the end of the day. He was like, "It's 3 o'clock, bro. Get about it." I think it was this one right here. So I didn't take this one. I was so ready to. He's like, "Come on, it's gonna be more trades tomorrow." He talked me out of it. He talked me out of it. And that's I was like, "Yo, thank you. I need that," because it just was like when you on a hot streak, you just keep on going and going and going. I'm like,
That's
let
for
me
sure.
get it. Let me get it to the end. But that's also when you start making mistakes.
All right.
Here we go. Here goes a pullback. So this would be a good example. I pretty much just look for a nice red candle. Really would be great if I can get like a gold zone on like the 1 minute or 5 minute. So you see over here on what's this? The 5-minute time frame. And then I'm gonna go over here to the 5 second. And yeah, you see those little blue signals up in there. Let me turn off some of this.
What are those? Okay, what are these?
What are those?
Looks interesting, man. What are those?
Man, them joints they're going crazy.
Yeah, no, that I think that 10 o'clock reversal might hit the way gold is. It's fighting though. I can't. Oh no, no, I found some stability. Okay, we'll see what happens.
So Antoine, you said you go to the 5 minute and then you go to the 5 second and you just kind of wait for pullbacks.
Yeah.
And then jump in. Okay.
Yep. And I heard you talking about EMAs earlier. I'm also noticing on that 5 second when like the 9 crossed the 20, no, 9 crossed the 50, it's kind of out of here. And this is another example. Yep, this was another one. Sheesh. So that's what I'm on down here about the code. It's my it's the code right here that make the symbols and the signals pop up. Yeah, so this is sending one right here, but I don't really love it because it's not in a gold zone, but it might be ready. It might pop off right here, but I would just love to see a little deeper pullback.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Yeah, see, and we had some kind of support or I mean some kind of resistance too. What is this? Oh, this was today's high. So I'm gonna wait for that. And then I want to see if any of these other markets is doing what I'm looking for. So I have to show an example. Hmm. He's about to hit. And that was a quick signal. Or something. Yeah, I would have had to get in down here though. See, I'm not sure if this is even trading. This is crude oil, June 2024. These candles look crazy. See, crude oil, CL. There we go. I'm just adding this oil to my watch list. Gas prices is back on the rise. So I'm gonna see if I can offset some of that with making some money on these oil futures. So I'm just being patient right now. I really want to trade gold, but I will I will rather wait for it to come back down to some real support first.
Yeah, I'm looking at 2383.
Okay.
Thinking it might pull down that far. Based on there's a gap there. Three 83.50.
Yeah, I see it. Okay. Yeah, I will take that all day too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see. Gold hit this high last Friday, dropped down the same day. Got about a quarter of it back, half of it back the next day. And then it's been floating in that area since. One thing about trading on a 5-second time frame, um, I'm kind of like insulated from a lot of different stuff. Like heavily insulated from like news events. um, just like overall market structure too, like what's going on a lot of places, because as long as I'm trading with the trend and I'm in and out, I'm not looking for like huge moves. I'm looking for like just a green candle. That's it. Just trying to trade a green candle in the uptrend. Here goes the
So it's official, huh? You're a scalper now.
Man, yep, y'all turned me into a scalper. Y'all have turned me into a scalper. Now, I feel like I'm scalping now. When I asked
Yeah.
before, I ain't feel like it. I'm like, is this scalping? I didn't
Right.
feel it, but now I feel it.
Mm. You killing it, man.
Trying, man. Trying. Still, it's still patience, still heavy patience game. But yeah, I
I
only could do
haven't quite.
this.
Mm-hmm. I'm sorry. Wait,
I was just gonna say I only could do this because the future is no spread. That was the only reason why this is really possible.
oh, okay. So in the regular forex market, you wouldn't do it.
Nah, not yet. Because as soon as I start, I'm already down 2 pips.
Okay. Okay.
Wait for this to come down a little bit more.
So you feel like it's going to break that double top?
Um, I don't even know, Mike. Honestly, that's that's yeah. That kind of speaks to it. That's I gotta. I'm gonna just test it. I'm only on the strategy this week to see how it goes. If it goes great all week, and I find out it's not just like some lucky stuff that's been happening since like Friday month when I started this.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be a game changer for real. It's gonna be a game changer all around the board. But right now, it's like I'm not even looking for a break out of the high.
Mm-hmm. Okay. You just scalping to the high. If
Yeah. If that, yeah, I
yeah.
was like, if I would have took this trade, I would have been pretty much. Let me see. No, stop loss would have been down here. So I'll be, yeah, it will be taking me out in a second before the high even get there.
Okay.
What's Bitcoin doing? A lot of sell signals. Jay, you still on here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Had a question for you, man. A little off subject.
So,
I want to know what you thought about Drake responding to your man. What you thought about that?
yo, I've been conflicted. because I'm from Toronto, so
Right.
I have to give it up to Drake for doing his thing. You know, I loved it. But then it's like I've been such a Kendrick fan for so long. I can't even talk about Cole anymore because Cole just broke my heart with that apology, bro.
Yeah, he did. He
That
did.
weak that weak sauce stuff with nah, man. This is rap, bro. Come on, we don't. I can't accept. I can't. Nah, that's not cool with me, man. But I honestly, I'm loving it for the sport. I really do hope it does continue in a decent manner where it actually like gives us like a couple more songs.
Right.
But I'm not gonna lie, the boy Drizzy did it, man. I can't even hate. Can't even hate, man. The boy Drizzy did it, bro.
Facts, facts. He did. He did.
Yeah.
I wasn't expecting it, honestly.
Neither was I. Like I'm super proud of him when that happened. And the man went hard on the track, no hesitation, calling out names, like going at man's necks. That's what I wanted to see.
Yeah, yeah, sure. For sure. He did. And I said, yo, they don't know that they gonna just make him bigger by everybody coming at him at once. Like if they're gonna all come at him at once, they supposed to be blitzing him right now. Like they supposed to
Oh,
be trying to
exactly.
end his career. They just threw some little jabs and now they let him come back like he the fucking what they call him Thanos. I said,
Dranos, yeah, Dranos.
oh, they call him Drano. See, oh my God, man.
Yeah,
Oh
man.
my
I'm not gonna
God.
lie. I as much as like I said, I'm from Toronto, so I rep it, bro. I love Kendrick, so I need Kendrick to flame him a bit too. Like I need him to do that, man. I need him to. Cause yeah, you're right. They got this guy looking like Thanos right now, man.
Yeah, that was crazy.
And that
I'm
track was hard, bro. As much people want to talk about it, it was hard, bro.
Oh yeah, I didn't deny it one time. I was like, whoa, okay, Drake, okay. And then he put a little sneak peek for the next track on there. I said, oh yeah, he
Mhm.
about to try to back one of y'all. He
He
about to,
is he's gonna do him worse than he did Meek, I promise you.
oh
This
my,
beef is way more serious. He wants to do him worse. He wants to end Kendrick's career. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but
right,
that's Drake's 100% Drake's goal.
right.
Cole
Oh,
already bowed out, so right now people don't even want to hear this guy. Like
oh my, his next words better be so good because he got an album about to come out.
he's gonna he's gonna talk through the album. That's what he's gonna do. He's 100% gonna talk through the album. I don't see Cole like addressing this much more than that, to be
He
honest.
got to blitz somebody. Somebody got to get it. He got to prove like I didn't want to battle my man, but I'm willing to battle you. Okay, get
Right?
he got to at least do that. Somebody got to get it bad. The one dude came at him. I'm not sure if you've seen that.
Simba, right?
Simba, yeah.
Yeah, Simba is more like a fan. That's why. But like, even I was even my friend said the same thing too yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. He's like, yo, he should make Simba an example. I was like, to be honest, he probably should, and because Simba can rap, but he can't rap a Cole. Not even
Right,
close.
right,
Not
right.
even close.
He gonna just bring Simba up. That's what Simba want too. Simba like, yeah, put me into that conversation with some of the big dogs.
He wants a hashtag, you
Yeah, he wants the hashtag for sure. For sure. But he better be careful. He's gonna become a poster or a rest in peace t-shirt.
mean?
You better be careful, man.
Real, bro. Because Cole, when this guy gets into his pen, like I said, I only believe it happened like this because who it was.
Yeah,
I
yeah, for sure.
firmly believe if it was anybody else, and let's be real, the only thing that was bad about Cole's track was his delivery and the energy. You could tell he didn't believe in the things he was saying, but like there was some validity to what he was saying about the records being a little bit boring and like people
Right,
gassed in it. Because that's kind of the angle that Drake took, where it's like people only say this about you because you drop every 4 years. When I
right.
drop every year, they want to downplay it, but I still have the numbers compared to you.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what people are saying was like Cole actually wasn't like he didn't say anything wrong. He was actually like being real, which was actually might have been something that Kendrick might have feelings about. So that's why people are saying he did it because he's like he would know Kendrick in a different way than other people. So for him to actually feel bad enough to apologize, knowing how what it could do to his career, like he really cherishes that friendship above anything else.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
I can't be mad at a man who has morals and like you know what I mean, sticks by them. But as a rap fan, nah, that was weak sauce, bro. Get out of here with that.
Yeah, yeah, it's definitely conflicting. It's that he could have did it differently. I feel like he rushed into that apology.
For sure.
He could have did it way differently. Like
Should have put it on his album. Should have wrote a new track
Yeah,
and said, I didn't even want to diss the homie Kendrick or whatever, whatever, whatever. That would have been fine. Would have been like, all right, well, it's between him and Drake anyways. We don't really care about Cole, but
yeah,
it's because Cole's been talking about, oh, I'm the greatest for the last 3 years.
yeah,
Wants people to test his pen. But,
bruh. He just oh my God. And I'm the Cole fan. So that's oh my God, man. Sheesh.
bro,
He's my number one. Like he been my number one for like 10 years. I've been just like ever since Wayne fell off or fell back, I'm just like, yeah, man, I like this dude Cole. I'm gonna give him some time. I know he's gonna mature. He did great. And then he started sounding hungry. He
mhm.
wanted to smoke. I said, oh yeah, he ready. He about to make the game interesting. This dude.
Like, it's crazy because like these guys have the greatest of like mentors, while Kendrick doesn't. Kendrick doesn't really have a mentor that's been like in
Mm,
the eyes of greatness. While Drake came up under Wayne and have been under Jay-Z because they have a lot of mixtapes together where he worked on his albums and stuff. And
mm-hmm,
then you also have Lil Wayne, but Lil Wayne is the main, and then we have Jay-Z for Cole. Like those
mm-hmm.
are their mentors. Where it's like that's the main reason for me, I guess, why I give so much respect to Kendrick because like Kendrick literally came up under rappers. Like there
Mm-hmm.
was no like hood rappers. I mean, like no like mainstream rappers. Like, you know what I mean? Like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
imagine Top Dog's first artist was J Rock, bro.
Right, right.
So you know what I mean? They weren't big guys. It's only because Top Dog was close to Dr. Dre that he was able to open a label under him, which is how he got Kendrick.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of off of Dr. Dre's name, but in reality, nah, bro. There's no super rappers. So like that's why I have so much respect for him compared to everybody else. But
Yeah, because he really just got it out the mud.
yeah, man.
Man. Nah, I know he's about to try to murder Drake. I already know.
Mhm.
This is gonna be but Drake not scared. Thankfully. I'm glad he poked his chest out.
Yeah,
He ready. I think he posted something yesterday, told Kendrick manager to where the track at. He anticipating it.
He posted Kendrick, man. Kendrick and Future have the same manager. I didn't know, but he posted their manager's face,
They
literally
got
his
the
face on
same
the
manager.
Instagram story. He's like, "When is it coming?" Or like, "Will it be there tomorrow? What about how about tomorrow?" I was like,
He
Drake is
ready.
so petty,
He ready.
bro. Drake
Oh,
has reached 50 Cent levels of pettiness, bro.
yep. He got that much money. That's the thing too. He don't got nothing to lose now at this point.
Mhm.
Even if he lose the battle, he's like, all right, I'm rich. My career is solidified. It's okay.
You see how he's clowning Metro?
Oh my God. What are you doing, Metro?
Metro Boomin, the producer that was
Yeah,
behind
yeah.
this guy hired because apparently Metro's like he's from Atlanta, man. He's known to be at like Magic, right?
Would have failed. Mm-hmm.
This guy apparently
Oh,
hired drummers because you know on the track he said shut the F up and make some
make
drums.
some drums.
So he hired a drum line to play drums outside of Magic while he was there.
Oh my God.
Yo, listen, I listen, the levels of pettiness I would love to achieve are 50 Cent level. But Drake is doing a great job right now. He's
He's
doing a
doing
great job.
good. He's put the track out and now he's trolling y'all on social media, trolling you in person. Oh man.
Man, even the stuff with him and Rick Ross is crazy because they are amazing collaborators.
Mm-hmm.
I love their tracks together. So that one kind of bothered me a bit. I was like, damn. But I was like, all right, all great things come to an end, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, that was I mean, Ross took a quick U-turn. I was surprised by that. That was quick. And he don't got no real reason besides of what he did to French Montana, but I don't know. I feel like you gotta mind your business in that situation. He gave you 10 hits.
Bro,
Yeah,
I didn't understand that either, to be honest.
yeah.
I thought he was trying to cop a plea, to be honest. Because
Who?
there's videos of his ex-wife that he's like forever beefing with. I don't know why he beefs with that woman because
Right,
women have the level of petty a woman will reach, men will never reach that, bro.
right, for sure, bro, for
But
sure.
yeah, so she was exposing literally right before the beef even happened, which was everybody was kind of like surprised. But she did post something and saying that Rick Ross never liked Drake. She like Drizzy, you should holler at me. I got some stuff to tell you. She like
Mm,
that fat F man, he ain't never like you. He used to always say racial slurs against you. And what
mm.
is the first thing Ross called him when the beef started? White boy.
White boy. Yep.
So that's what everybody's like, nah, like we usually think like women are lying, just trying to nah. She was being honest. Clearly, Rick Ross never liked him.
Yeah. He said, and it could be jealousy because Rick Ross said in an interview, he said, yeah, one of my girls put me on to Drake. She was like, yeah, I like his music. So that instantly is like,
Yep.
you know, like Drake even said he battled with that, where girls would be like, oh, you should sound more like Trey Songz or like Chance the Rapper, or you know what I mean, just trying to tell him what to sound like. That hit a dude ego, you know, real quick.
Yeah, you can't be telling mans what to sound like and how to what to like.
Mm-hmm.
Especially if I make music, you're finna tell me I should be making music like someone else. Now you dissing.
For sure, for sure.
But that's a light skin for you, man. That guy.
Yeah, so his beef just sounds like jealousy, but that's bad because he blessed you with mad tracks. He blessed you with mad tracks, man.
There's that, and then there's the angle of the women apparently is more true than what people want to believe. But apparently it's because Drake is known to do whatever the F he wants. Like this guy will talk to your girl, doesn't care. He won't care. Like, but in his mind, because I guess he's a rapper, he thinks all these girls are for the streets anyways.
Mm-hmm.
So like, but then again, you know, if it's your girl, that your girls, you know how men are when it comes to women. That's like your peace of mind, your happy place. Another man's getting in there, the insecurities and all of these things. So people are saying that the rumors that everybody was saying is true. Like, yeah, Drake has like this demeanor of like, which he deserves, bro. He can't be touched, which is true. So he goes around acting a certain way, and all of these rappers dislike that about him, but they can't do anything about it. So
Mm.
that's why they had to team up to do this. Because individually, let's be real, not any one of them outside of Kendrick can knock him off his pedestal.
Yeah, just Kendrick. That's the only one.
Period.
Yeah.
Rick Ross is the only one because he outside of that because he can actually rap that well. Like
Mm-hmm.
his rap ability is amazing, but hit for
Mm-hmm.
hit, no. Drake would wash him as well.
Facts.
So because he
Yeah.
had the little beef with Metro, because him and Future had a thing with a girl, Rick Ross don't like him. All these him and ASAP Rocky beefing over Rihanna. So it was easy for them to come together and defeat him because in
Mm-hmm.
one-on-ones, nobody could touch him. His numbers or like even in a rap beef, like we've heard timestamp Drake, 8 a.m., 6 a.m., bro. He be spitting at those. So
Yeah,
like
for real, for real.
people are kind of scared of him. They just won't say because he's like this soft light skin image, but bro, he
Mm-hmm.
don't play that soft light skin guy at all, you know?
Mm-hmm.
At least not anymore.
Right, right. Man, he been he been practicing for a long time, you know, like, and that's what happened too. He used some of these trap rappers like Future, like 21, like Ross to like build up his image and his confidence.
Yep,
And
yep.
even Houston, man, he got a whole mob ties, you know. So
I was just about to say same thing he did in Toronto because we never rated him in our city because of his upbringing. Like, if you want to be real, he's not technically from Toronto. He's from so the way Toronto works, that's why it's called the six.
Huddersfield.
There's like six boroughs of the city, and he's from Forest Hill, which is outside of Scarborough. He's not really from technically Toronto. And Forest
uh,
Hill is like what you would call like the Manhattan to Harlem. It's
mm-hmm.
like the bougiest, like only white people live there, and it's gated community. So Drake has never been like in the gutter of like the hood. So he needed to do that. So when he started off in our city, he linked up with all the biggest gangs or known gangs of like Scarborough. And like P. Rain's older brother is like a gang leader. A lot of people know, some people don't. Reps up, they're actually like a gang affiliated.
uh,
So Drake used them in originally to get big in our city because none of us rated him, bro. He used to get clowned at our shows a lot, bro. Trust me, I remember.
yeah, yeah.
As he fizzled out, as the other guys fizzled out, he kept going and like people just started respecting and riding with him more, and like now he's who he is. So like
Right.
it's he has this thing in his mind that he's that guy. So like you can't really tell him anything. Now he has bodyguards and like millions of dollars to back it up. So
Yeah, for sure, for sure. You know, manifestation is a real thing. Um, and he knew early on too. I seen an interview where he said it's all about marketing. So he understood he just had to market his way into position. So that was strong. That was dope. And then he got the biggest cosign in the world when Lil Wayne was the hottest in the world. He
yep,
got his label. Like you can't get no better than that.
bro, that was that. Yeah, that definitely was the thing that took off for him, bro.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
changed everything for him.
Yeah,
Uh,
and Drake, I mean, Ross better be careful because Ross talking on that track like, yeah, pay Wayne some more money. But what he don't want is Wayne to take a side and be like, hold up, y'all not about to pile up on my boy. But I know
Oh
Wayne
man,
gonna
him and Wayne have a very close relationship. So that's why even this whole thing was kind of weird to me because I'm like, that's your man's, bro. But you never know, man. Because like I said, him and Wayne, he defended him in the whole Birdman thing, remember? So like
yeah,
Ross
yeah,
had
for
Wayne's
sure.
back heavily, heavily, heavily.
Yeah, for sure.
So I don't know, man. That's why I feel like if there was to be a conversation, it would be surrounding that. I
Mm-hmm.
feel like that would be something where Wayne could actually like maybe diffuse it. And I said this to my boy because I was like, I would hate for them to never make music again because I love their music, and I personally feel like that would be the area where maybe Little Wayne can come in and like diffuse the situation because bro, he's kind of close to both of them. So that's what I said. I feel like they'll be good, and we may still get some Rose Drake in the future. But between him and Future, I don't know about that. And then between him and everybody else, I don't know about that.
I mean, him and Future, honestly, they jabs wasn't as hard as him and Ross's.
It wasn't. It really wasn't, which is so weird as to how it got that serious to me.
Yeah, Ross is jabbing harder. He coming at his someone calling him white boy, talking about his BBLs. Like he coming at him. He the one
Yo,
who
that
really like.
I'm sorry, but I am so childish when it comes to those things. I laugh so hard when I hear that. BBL Jizzy. Just let them know the operation failed. That's why you
Oh,
hide your stomach. Like,
oh
bro, why
my
this guy
God.
stretch out what he's every third word, bro? It's so funny.
For real.
Oh, don't tell me gold is gonna drop again. 10:30.
You in it?
Yeah, I just got in late.
Oh shit.
Um,
I'm over here scalping while
yeah,
we
I wanted to do it in and out too, but I didn't think the 10:30 would flip yet. I mean, want to flip like that because it was going up, and it took a couple highs. Shoot. All right,
bro,
well.
this 5 second time frame is crazy.
So how
Can you
does it
tell me?
work? Like, explain the. Sorry, go. My bad, Mike.
No, no, no. I was just asking because I heard you mention 10:30 a couple times a day. What is the significance of 10:30?
So um, I don't think you've been on any of Coach Bobby's sessions. He more so like explains a hard stop, but like usually there's specific times outside after I mean after the open where you'll have like really, really hard reverses. And it's usually either 10 a.m., 10:30. If you don't see anything, you get a continuation, you look between 11:30 to 12. And then Coach Antoine can confirm this. I think the last one would be around 2 p.m., like the
Mhm.
afternoon lunch one.
Yeah,
I might
afternoon session. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah. So around those, and I'm CST, so if you're in the States, it would be an hour earlier. So that's how I usually
Okay.
do it.
Okay. So pretty much optimal trading times.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Every time you have like I think it's like a two to 2.5 hour. It's like you'll notice I'm on a 30 minutes. It's like every 30 minute is a big deal for whatever reason. So like you'll have your nine o'clock burst, 9:30 it might slow down because it's getting ready to like potentially switch at 10. If it does, you don't
Hmm.
see any like slow down in any momentum around 10 or like 9:45, sorry. You should be good for 10, and then around 10 you should see if there's a new high. It continues and then it goes on to 10:30 because if it goes kind of parabolic after 10, you could see like a reversal around 10:30. Like exactly what it's doing right now. See how it just shot up and shot down? Exactly what I said just happened.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is the shoot up sort of like a fake out?
Yeah, definitely a fake out.
Okay. Okay.
Because sometimes what it does, it'll take the high so that obviously people are thinking it's going to continue going and they might buy at that level. Because bad traders buy at highs and sell at lows. It does, I don't know why, but yeah.
Right. Right.
So that's usually how what happens. So they'll shoot it up, making you thinking, oh, that's gonna continue going. You add a bunch of orders in, and then it just reverses.
Okay. Thank
Coach, was that good? Did I miss anything?
Um, nope, nope, nope. That was real good, coach.
Hey, soon to be, unlocked.
For real.
you.
Oh man, this is might start risking more on these trades. I'm just doing like real mini contract, micro contracts, but If all of these would have been minis, oh man, I would have passed this challenge in one day.
How long have you been using a 5 second? Is that something new?
I tested it like last year, the year before.
Okay.
I always like just tried it, but I felt like it was too fast or something. I just didn't know. I didn't know what to do with it, but it just keeps coming back to me. Like these same patterns we seeing on a 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, it's happening down here too. Same thing. So, and also the reason why I came back to it is because I was trying to figure out, what's the earliest we can get a T-dot by signal that's also on point. Because sometimes like we might see some signals, but the market is still dropping. Like over here, for example, the signal is cool, but the market still has room to drop. So I'm like, okay, maybe we just need to go a little bit lower. How do we know when it's finally making that reversal? But also what make a difference too is support and resistance, finding those areas um, where the market is probably going to bounce from, where it's probably going to bounce over here. This looked at like a little inverse head and shoulders. Let me see if you can see it over here. So once it came back down towards this area again, I was looking for those signals again. And once again, getting those gold candles on the 1 minute. So once they started turning gold, I was like, okay, now I'm ready. It was giving signals back here, but you remember I skipped this one over here. I didn't like this. It wasn't enough pullback yet. It just pulled back a little bit more. I just waited a little bit more, and then it was actually ready. But let me see. Look how this looks on a 5 minute like this. This is like, it's kind of crazy because this is what I just traded technically. This red candle was the drop, and then this green candle catching it going back up. So it looks ridiculous. Like this is not something I would have ever recommended anybody to trade. Just this, but it works. It works, man.
And once you enter, you just take it to the previous high and close it out.
I'm really just doing 1-to-1, honestly.
Okay.
Or yeah, if you want to say previous high of the recent candle, because I'm not sure what high you're talking about.
Previous high of the recent candle. Okay.
The last candle, yeah. So if this red candle right here was the drop, I'm waiting for it to start to come back up, and I'm riding it back to the top of that candle, that red candle. So somewhere right back up here, 2409. So I could have held this a little bit long. Oh, I did. I closed out partials. I closed out 6 of the contracts out of 7. But I could have held it all the way up here. I did actually, but then once it came back down, I just got out.
Right. Okay. Well, yeah, that's kind of what I meant.
Yep. Previous high of the last candle.
Yeah. Okay.
And why this is really interesting too is because it just does it over. Like if you find yourself in a consolidation period, I could just keep on kind of catching these over and over again. And I think I'm just talking out loud right now, but I'm learning as I go. So gold candles on a 1 minute is like a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But once I get gold candles on a 15 minute, this is more so like, let me see. I would have waited for the cross here. Stop loss down here. At least to like right here. Wow. So yeah, on a 5 minute, 15 minute is more so like a 1-to-2, 1-to-3.
Question. Based on the fact that you're jumping in the 5 seconds and stop loss by default is pretty much.
Oh, you got muffled a little bit.
Okay, I was saying based on the fact that you jump in on the 5 second, the stop loss just by default is smaller. That's the question.
For sure. Yeah, because it's
Okay.
like it's pretty much the low of that candle. So if I'm looking at the 15 minutes, pretty much just like the low. Once this red candle is done, it might keep on pushing down, making a wick. So it's pretty much like the wick of that candle. Once it starts coming back up and it turns green, or even before it turns green, because I got it before it turned green, I guess. Yeah. And then, but it's just the bottom of that. It's the bottom of that candle. Yeah.
Okay.
Just 5 minute. Same thing. It's the bottom of that 5 minute candle. Yep. So it is kind of like once that 5 minute candle started turning green, could have got right in, put the stop loss right here at the bottom. Dang, it might not come back down. This looks like it's ready. Well, yeah, so now with this strategy, I'm kind of waiting. I'm hoping for pullbacks. It's like, come on, don't even break out. Just come back down again. Let's see if I can trade oil. What is this? Let's see. So oil is, micro. Oh, that's micros. Yeah, micros is $1 per tick. Sheesh. Let's say $50. Bucks. $100 maybe. Okay. Stop loss 83.78, TP 84.38. Just do a buy.
Order filled.
Actually got in this one a little late, but I want to see still. This is not good. This is my anxiety trading right now. Honest. Be real. Be real. I just want to test it out. They call this forward testing. But if I'm a forward testing, I gotta do it right too. I gotta do it right. Shouldn't have let that, shouldn't have jumped in. I should have waited maybe like just waited for it to come back down a little bit more, but it might still work out.
No, I think you're good. I think you're good because, I mean, still making high highs
Mm-hmm.
and high lows.
But yeah, with this strategy, I can't afford the smallest pullback. I can't even.
So your stop loss is under the red.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think you're good though. Let me see. Oh, that's the oil. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm thinking gold. I was looking at gold. This is what's this? This oil. Okay. No, my mistake. I was looking at gold.
Hey, it is looking good. Okay, I think we did. I think we did it. That was a nice W. Okay, so now I'm gonna see if I can. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna take it. I'm gonna take it, but hit the TP. Peace, Craig. You on here? You pretty quiet, Craig. What's up, man? Multitasking.
Right.
Okay.
So Antoine, you killing the market this week, ain't you?
Oh man,
What's your record?
I don't even know. I should have been
At least
keeping.
10-0.
No, I took a loss. I took a couple losses. Yeah, took a couple losses. I don't know if I took none live though. I get that might be the thing. I don't think I took none live, but yesterday when I was trading with Craig, we just was on a call talking. I know for sure I took a loss on there. Monday was flawless. Hey, you're right, man. It's looking good though. It's looking good. This my in fact, this can help us right here because it depends. So I got several accounts, but on this one, let's just check out the report. Um, this week, 414. Yeah. You say I lost 7. I don't know what that means for real, but 70%. Because sometimes just losing a partial contract, they'll count that as a loss too. But let's just see. Okay, lost 9, lost 27, lost 220, 122. Yeah, I took a few losses.
Oh, gold's trying to break out. Let's see.
Come on, you right there, buddy boy. You not gonna go up? Is gold pulling back or is it still going up? Oh,
Pull back.
oh. What you doing? Might have waited. Uh-oh, there go gold candle. I'm gonna wait it out. Like gold and oil are moving in the same direction. Got a call in like 10 minutes at 11. Let me see if we can get one more before this is over.
Yo, bro, let's get on a call tonight too, yo. Oh,
Okay.
nah, you got this tonight too.
Yeah, and Python.
Okay. All right. Tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, bro. Y'all have a great one.
Okay, you too, bro.
Coach, you're gonna try to get one more for gold?
Yep, yep, yep.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it too.
Okay. It's looking like it's so close. Just got one signal. Looking for a little bit more of a pullback. Looks like it's going down. Yeah, just wanted to pull back a little bit deeper. Let's see, let's see. Oh, look at that. Is it news coming right now? 12 o'clock. Nope. Crude oil inventory is 10:30. Nope.
Stop filled.
Whoa. Oh shit, went back down. Damn. Okay. I moved my TP. Hold on. What the heck? Oh, why I didn't close the whole position? Close that too.
Order filled.
I don't know what that was just about. Dang, looked like that was it for gold right there. That might have been it.
I don't know. 11 o'clock, we'll see. But I don't know if it's gonna have the same volume to make a big run like that.
Oh, it's 11. Yeah, you're right. You're right. So
11 my time. Sorry, 11 my time.
mine too. So you're not CST. You CST?
No, I'm EST.
Okay, earlier I heard you say CST. I was like, dang, what part of Canada he in?
No, I'm EST. I'm EST. I'm EST.
Okay,
I,
cool.
I was saying because Mike, I think, is in the States. I was saying he might be CST.
Yeah, okay. Where's Mike? I think Mike in Carolina. I gotta ask him where he at again.
He's from Carolina. He might have feelings towards Cole as well. That's probably what I was saying.
Yeah, he was a little quiet. Dang, true. And Cole is quiet right now too. Man, nothing.
Honestly, I think his best bet, like I said, is to just talk on the fall off. Nobody wants to hear you right now. Like
Uh,
you
no,
broke
but
our heart, bro.
bro, but if he don't clean it up, only people who gonna buy his album is his core fans.
Good, yeah, true. That's true. That's true. This is the
He
worst
got
thing to happen right before his rollout. This is horrible. This is like the worst thing to happen.
unless it was planned and a fall off is supposed like you know what I mean? Because it sounds like you falling off. Right now, this is really your fall off. So
Yeah,
it's either genius or it's the worst. You're right. It's one of the. It's like it's one of the most. It's extreme as hell. I don't know which one.
yo, that's the best way to put it. It's either extremely genius or a horrible idea.
Oh my god!
Extremely bad idea.
But I don't know. I mean, I feel like I don't. I think it was a bad idea up front, but I think he has room just to clean it up. But I really think he thought he did the right thing that day, and he was just he brought God into it. He said, "I'm just aligning myself with God." So you can't
Yeah.
go wrong with that. You can't go wrong. And but now you got to listen to God and figure out how to get up out of this hole and see see if you can, or you just got to take your L and be like, okay, I had my run. He had a nice little, I think, 2-year run.
But man, the mixtape was so good, and I can only imagine how amazing the album is gonna be. So I'm just like, bro, why right now? This
For
is
real. For real. That might delete later. Every track was hitting. I said, whoa, bro.
bro. I've been listening to that on repeat for like the last since it came out, at least like once every other day, man. It's so good, such a
Yep.
complete body of work, and it's not even a full body of work.
Right. Right. I said he did this. I said, well, if these is throwaways off the fall off, I can't wait to hear that.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, Go just made I think he just made a head and shoulder, another head and shoulders pattern
Oh,
because it's at the same height as the other shoulder, or just a little lower.
yep.
Gold is not playing today. It's not playing nice.
Yeah.
I find some support right there. If it breaks the support, it's gonna go down.
Yeah, I apologize I didn't realize I wasn't on mute when I took that phone call earlier. So my apologies.
I didn't hear it unless you're talking about super before I jumped on.
Well, good, good.
Yeah.
No, it was about 5 minutes ago, so
Oh, okay.
hopefully
Yeah.
I didn't interfere.
No, we didn't hear it, so I'm not sure what
Oh,
We
happened.
good,
didn't hear anything. We thought you were gone
good.
for the day, actually.
Mhm.
Yeah. No,
Were you?
no, I'm in it. I'm in it for a minute because I, I I'm thinking that that double top is going to be broken on goal, but we'll see. That's just my guess.
Mm-hmm. It's definitely making higher lows, so I'm with you on that.
Yeah, and another EMA I use is 13
Okay.
on the 15. So it's still over the 13. So that's a part of my hypo.
Okay. So you're still looking for buys.
Yes. Yes, that's what I'm believing. Because again, I think on the higher time frames, we're still in an uptrend. When I
Mm-hmm.
say higher, I mean it's been an uptrend for weeks now.
Mm-hmm.
If it does go to 2,400, though, that's probably where I'll go ahead and take profits.
It's coming down again. Is that a triple top? Here we go. Finally, now I'm getting me a gold candle on the 1 minute. Here we go. A bit lower.
Look like a nice catch on your part.
What you mean?
No, I mean for it to go up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because it pretty much made a double bottom on the time frame you're on.
Mm-hmm. Looking for a little bit more of a pullback. Maybe touch this trend line or something.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there goes a signal. Check oil. Made my first trade on oil today. That was dope. I might try that a little bit more. Here we go. Sheesh. Starting to think I could stick to just trading gold.
I'm telling you.
I think I can do it. I'm learning how this thing move.
Remember I said about the time frames? Look at that melt, bro. That's melting.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
It's going right to, oh, shoot.
Mm.
This is good. So and that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for it to come back down towards this little activate on this indicator. Now I wait for a signal. Sheesh, it's moving fast though. What time is it? 11:15.
It's falling so fast. So even the recovery is like, this doesn't even make sense. What's going on? Whoa.
Whee.
Is there any news that affects the New York or gold?
Nah. I looked too. I was like, what's going on? I thought so at 11 o'clock.
Bro, this is one long 1 minute candle, bro. But
Yo, eesh. Yeah, the 5 minute probably looks crazy. 15 minute.
We closing in on that gap at 23.83.
Yep.
But I'm wondering if it's going to take out that low at 123.78 and come all the way down to 23.73.
Mm.
We'll see.
Mm-hmm.
Because, they like to sweep that liquidity. And we have liquidity at 23.78.
Yep.
yep, that's what I was looking at too.
Yep. Right around here.
Took out the 1030 low just now. Yeah, man. And that 1030 low is held because it hit there like a couple times. It's almost like a pivot zone. So
Mm-hmm.
this is crazy. I'm getting both signals going crazy right now too.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but they're on the 1 minute, so I'm trying to get one on like a 5.
Oh, okay. Yep. I'm trying to get one on the 5 too. 5 second. There goes one, but I don't really, I'm waiting. I'll wait for a low cross. At least let me see if we got a low.
It filled that gap perfectly too at 23.83.
It did. I think it's making its way up.
Get ready.
Not yet.
Yeah, that could be. Yeah. Wow.
Oh shit! I gotta jump on this car. All right, 1 second. Here it comes right here. There we go. Go a little tighter. That where I want my TP? That's the question. I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to master your 5 second trade, Antoine.
Oh, man,
We do that, we all be rich.
yo, for real. Oh man, if this work right here again, I ain't even gonna. I ain't even gonna risk that much. This is gonna be my last test. If this one work, yeah, I'm gonna start betting a little bit bigger on this strategy.
She's trying to come.
Yes, it's working. There we go.
We need to practice that the little 5 seconds on pocket options before we take it into real trades, man.
Oh, on some pocket options.
Yeah, man. I'll probably do it like that to see how it moves.
Mm-hmm.
But you can still do indices on pocket options. The percentages is really, really low.
Okay.
Some green and red candles back to back on gold right now.
There we go. 2400. There goes the cross. I'm waiting for that blue line and cross that orange line. I think that's it right there.
Order filled.
Sheesh. See.
Order filled.
Ooh-wee. Come on, you up out of here. You up out of here. Go ahead. Go for it. To the moon. Go ahead. There we go. There we go. Yeah, consistently makes a nice little rising W as well. Oh my God. Even if I lose this trade, which I don't think, I'm not even wishing that, but ooh,
There you go.
yeah, this is nice. This is a good, consistent situation. Shoot, okay, I gotta get off, y'all. I got somebody waiting for me on the call. I appreciate y'all staying on with me, and I just
Well,
love
no
us
problem.
together. This is good. It's the Gold Crew right here. We got to come up with a name. The
There you
Gold.
go. No problem, bro. Appreciate you.
Yeah, for real.
Unlock. Peace.
I'm not. Peace, man. Have a good day, both of you guys.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.